Officials say the ban may need to stay in place for the rest of today. Travel is now banned on all Rhode Island roads. A voluntary evacuation is underway in parts of Hull. The National Guard is assisting residents who want to leave Hull. There's a potential for major flooding at high tide from Hull to Sandwich. National Grid reports 160,233 outages. N-Star reports something. Most of the outages are in southern Massachusetts and Cape Cod. Wet, heavy snow and winds gusting over 75 miles per hour are reported in the southeast region. MBTA service will remain suspended on all routes today. In Quincy, power is out in most of the city. Logan Airport is closed to all air traffic. Airport arrivals will resume Saturday evening. Mailbox collections is suspended today and tomorrow. Post offices are closed today and tomorrow. 1,000 members of the National Guard are on duty, and numbers will grow as the storm worsens. In New England, this could prove to be among the top 10 snowstorms in history. The storm is the sixth biggest snowstorm in Boston's history. The average snowfall so far in the greater Boston area is 2 feet. The storm could surpass Boston's record of 27.5 inches set in 2003. Northeast Corridor service is suspended until later this afternoon.